Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video I can show you how to fix mobile data on iPhone 17 Pro Max. Okay, so firstly I will tell you about just standard ways to fix any network issues on your iPhone, and then I'll show you how to do that in different way. Okay, so firstly let's open settings. If you have some problems with the network, so first thing you should do is to enable airplane mode, then just after maybe 5 seconds disable airplane mode. If it not helps, so just reboot your device. To reboot your device, press volume up, volume down, press and hold side button. You will see slide power or slide to power off, so slide this, your smartphone will be powered off, then just power it on back and check, maybe it helped. But if not, so you should open general in settings, then scroll a bit down and here find transfer or reset iPhone. Here click reset, not the erase all, okay? Click just reset. And here you will see several reset options. And we are interested in reset network settings, because if we have problems with the network settings, we should click on this one. Confirm your PIN code and click reset network settings. If you have an eSIM, it will ask you, do you want to reset eSIM? So please click no. So you don't want to remove eSIM from your device, so don't click erase eSIM. Just click erase network settings without erasing eSIM. Wait a while. And okay, that's it. And maybe now you have no problems with your network settings, with your cellular, with your with your internet connection. But if you still have some troubles with the network connection, so maybe it's because of APN settings, not the VPN but APN. So to check it out, you should open network settings, so mobile service in settings menu. Then just scroll a bit down here. And here you will see mobile data network. And here you will see APN settings for your device, okay? So what can you do now? You can click reset settings here, click reset and click reset, and it will try to download new settings from your carrier for exact your phone, okay? But if it's not helped you, so you should just call to your carrier and they will send you settings for your device. Okay, that's it guys, that's it. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it's true, please consider to leave a like and a comment below this video to support our channel. Bye, see you.